Hello everyone, let's talk about the Acer cable.LCD, the FFC.30P.174mm.LF, specifically model number 50.L46VF.009. This is a crucial internal component, a flat flex cable, FFC, designed to connect the LCD screen to the motherboard within certain Acer laptops. This particular cable features a 30-pin configuration and a length of 174 millimeters. The LF at the end signifies that it's lead-free, adhering to environmental regulations. It's a male-to-female connector, meaning it has pins on one end that insert into a corresponding socket and a receptacle on the other end to receive another connector. The round shape refers to the overall form factor of the cable, allowing for flexibility within the tight confines of a laptop. When dealing with laptop repairs, especially screen replacements, the LCD cable is often a point of failure. It's a delicate component that can be easily damaged during disassembly or reassembly. Symptoms of a faulty LCD cable can range from a flickering screen or distorted image to a completely black display, even if the screen itself is perfectly fine. The Acer 50.L46VF.009 cable is a direct replacement part, ensuring compatibility with specific Acer laptop models. It's always crucial to double-check the part number against your laptop service manual or the original cable to guarantee a proper fit. Using the wrong cable can lead to further damage to the laptop's components. Replacing an LCD cable is generally a task best left to experienced technicians. It requires careful handling and a good understanding of laptop disassembly procedures. Static electricity is a major concern when working with internal components, so proper grounding is essential. The connectors are often fragile and can be easily broken if too much force is applied. If you're experiencing display issues with your Acer laptop and suspect the LCD cable, the 50.L46VF.009 offers a potential solution. However, it's important to proceed with caution and either have the replacement done by a professional or ensure you have the necessary skills and tools to perform the repairs safely and effectively. A new cable can breathe new life into a laptop with a damaged display, saving the cost of a full laptop replacement.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.